Hey, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an easy roasted red pepper sauce with just 4 ingredients. This sauce is awesome drizzled over your grain bowls, and it's really good with pasta too. My name is Linda and this is the Vegan Petite channel. Now let's get started. Alright, normally for this roasted red pepper sauce, I would recommend just using 2 regular size red bell peppers, but I had a whole bag of these mini peppers, so I'm going to use these up. So I'm going to guesstimate about 10 of the mini peppers, and I've got a couple orange ones in there too. Ooh, look at that beautiful roasted red pepper sauce. It looks so nice, contrasted with the quinoa and the black beans. And you can really serve this with any veggies that you like. Great way to get in more healthy legumes, grains, and veggies into your diet. Let's try it. Oh. That sauce is so flavorful. Made a whole jar full of this sauce. Keep it in the fridge. Pour it on all of your favorite foods. Like I said, it's good with pasta as well. So good, you gotta try it. Be sure to smash the like button if you enjoyed this recipe. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get all my future videos on the channel. And comment below, what are you gonna serve this roasted red pepper sauce with? I'm curious to hear your ideas. Thanks so much, I'll see you next week. Bye.